Most service business owners make a costly mistake when choosing software. They focus on features instead of whether the system actually fits how their team works every single day. And that's where problems start. Here's the truth no one tells you. Commusoft is powerful, but it is not for everyone. It can either streamline your entire operation or feel like an overcomplicated system, depending on your business size. Quick promise. In this video, you'll get a clear, simple review of Commusoft in 2026, what it does well, where it struggles, and whether it is actually worth it for your business. Let's start with what Commusoft is designed for. It is a field service management platform built mainly for trades and service companies. Think plumbing, HVAC, electrical, and maintenance businesses. Someone like Alex, who runs a small plumbing team, needs to manage jobs, dispatch technicians, and keep track of customer history. Commusoft is built exactly for that kind of workflow. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of Commusoft's strongest features is customer management. Every job, every visit, and every note is stored in one system. So when a customer calls again, your team already knows their full history. That alone reduces confusion and improves service quality. But here's the problem. Commusoft is not the simplest tool to learn. It takes time to set up properly, and if your team is not tech-friendly, the onboarding can feel slow. This is where some small businesses struggle in the beginning. Another key feature is job scheduling and dispatching. You can assign jobs to technicians, track progress, and update schedules in real time. For a business like John's HVAC company, this means fewer missed appointments and better control over daily operations. Now let's talk about mobile usage. Commusoft works well in the field. Technicians can update job status, upload photos, and capture customer signatures directly from their phones. This reduces paperwork and keeps everything updated instantly. But now here's the important trade-off. While Commusoft is strong in operations and customer management, it may feel too complex for very small teams or solo operators. If you only handle a few jobs a week, you might not need this level of structure. So is Commusoft worth it in 2026? Yes, if you are a growing service business that needs strong scheduling, customer tracking, and team coordination. It becomes especially valuable when you have multiple technicians and want everything organized in one system. However, if you are a very small operation, looking for something simple and lightweight, you may find it more than you actually need. Here's the bottom line. Commusoft is built for serious service businesses that want structure, control, and scalability. It is not the simplest option, but it is one of the more complete systems for field service management. If this review helped you understand Commusoft better, like the video, drop a comment with your business type, and subscribe for more clear and honest software breakdowns that help you make smarter decisions.